Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Agartala, offering innovative and comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) solutions to clients in the construction industry. With its expertise and experience, Scon Design has emerged as a trusted partner for architects, engineers, contractors, and developers, providing them with cutting-edge technology and services to enhance the design, construction, and operation of their projects. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes advanced software tools and methodologies to create digital representations of buildings and infrastructure. This enables clients to visualize their projects in 3 dimensions, facilitating better collaboration and communication among stakeholders. By integrating various building components and systems into a single model, Scon Design helps clients optimize their designs, minimize errors, and reduce costs. Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a wide range of BIM services tailored to meet the specific needs of its clients. These services include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction sequencing, virtual reality walkthroughs, and facility management. By leveraging the power of BIM technology, Scon Design helps clients streamline their workflows, improve decision-making processes, and achieve greater efficiency throughout the project lifecycle. What sets Scon Design apart as a BIM company in Agartala is its commitment to delivering high-quality solutions on time and within budget. The team at Scon Design consists of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest BIM practices and standards. They work closely with clients to understand their requirements and provide customized solutions that align with their goals. Scon Design also emphasizes continuous innovation and improvement, staying abreast of the latest developments in BIM technology to deliver state-of-the-art solutions to its clients. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a reputable BIM company in Agartala, providing cutting-edge building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, the company offers comprehensive BIM solutions for various industries, including architecture, engineering, and construction. Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted partner for clients in Agartala and beyond, delivering innovative and efficient BIM solutions tailored to meet their specific project requirements. As a leading BIM company in Agartala, Scon Design India Private Ltd utilizes advanced technology and software tools to create accurate and detailed digital representations of buildings and infrastructure projects. By implementing BIM methodologies, the company helps clients optimize their project planning, design, and construction processes, leading to improved efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced collaboration among project stakeholders.